Centene is scheduled to report third quarter earnings on Friday, October 25th before the market opens. In the previous quarter, CNC reported revenue of $39.84 billion, beating revenue estimates by $3.14 billion. Centene reported earnings of $2.42 per share, beating estimates by 33 cents per share. For this quarter, the revenue estimate is $38.01 billion, with earnings of $1.41 per share. Over the last 90 days, no analyst raised estimates and 15 analysts lowered estimates. CNC is showing negative relative strength going into earnings. The options market is pricing an implied move of plus or minus 6.63%. Talk to you again soon. Have a great day. Thank you.